Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to turn on and off Incognito mode on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to turn on and off Incognito mode on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to turn on and off Incognito mode on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to turn on and off Incognito mode on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Turning on and off incognito mode on YouTube is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will turn on and off incognito mode on YouTube. First of all, open YouTube app in your mobile phone. Now here is my YouTube app home screen, and then first click on your profile icon in the right top corner, and now in this screen click on turn on incognito, and it will enable incognito mode on YouTube. And now for turning it off, again click on incognito icon and then click on turn off incognito, and your incognito mode on YouTube has been turned off. So there you go. If you were wondering how to turn on and off incognito mode on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.